Hi, my name is James with Animals in the Attic Restaurant Division. Even if you don't think you have a rodent problem in your restaurant, every restaurant owner should follow these simple steps. We know you're cleaning your kitchen floors, but are you going the extra mile and getting on your hands and knees with a flashlight, checking for the smallest bits of food? Well, if you're trying to prevent or solve a rodent problem, you have to. It's imperative you remove every bit of food every night, because the smallest amount of food can sustain the rat population and keep this problem growing. If you own a restaurant, more than likely you've got checklists. Whether you use them or not depends on you. Your daily routine is pretty straightforward, or should be. You come into your business, you check out the crew from the night before, make sure you have stock of everything, and you've got a plan for the day for prepping and getting ready to open. Checklists are key. You need one to open your restaurant every morning. Even if you don't have a rodent problem, you need to know that the prep crew and the line cooks and the front of the house staff are doing their jobs at the end of the night, and your managers, which you pay well, are doing their jobs by double checking the process. Checklists are key. Routines are key, whether you have rodents in your restaurant or not. Dry storage areas, super common problem with rodents. You're storing rice, flour, sugar, oils, all kinds of containers that they can chew through and get great food sources. In fact, some of their favorite food sources. Take a look at what's in your dry storage and make sure you don't have grains and pastas and other edible things in cardboard boxes or easily accessible containers. Try a Cambro or a Lexan with a lid to prevent them to getting into your foods. It'll be safer for your customers and save you money. If you have or think you have a rodent problem in your restaurant, give us a call here at Animals in the Attic Restaurant Division. We will discreetly help you as quickly and professionally as we can.